The benefits of aloe vera were once more widely recognized than they are today. 6,000 years ago, the ancient Egyptians revered aloe vera as a miracle plant. They used it for a variety of purposes, from treating burns to reducing fevers. Even Cleopatra included aloe in her daily skincare routine. Ancient Greek scientists also held aloe in high esteem, considering it a universal remedy. Legend has it that Alexander the Great conquered an island off the coast of Africa specifically to secure supplies of aloe vera for his soldiers. Throughout much of history, this miracle plant was treated like a treasure. So, why have we largely forgotten about its many benefits beyond treating cuts and burns? It's time for aloe vera to reclaim its rightful place. So, here are the top benefits of this incredibly versatile plant. Burn relief. There are over 420 different species of aloe plants, but the one most commonly used for skin and medicinal purposes is bitter aloe. Its most notable benefit today is aiding in the healing of burns. A 2019 study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine National Institutes of Health found that aloe vera is among the most effective treatments for first and second degree burn wounds. This effectiveness is due to the plant's soothing and moisturizing properties, which help maintain the skin's integrity. Additionally, the study concluded that aloe vera is more effective and less expensive than alternative treatments like petroleum jelly, silver sulfadiazine 1% ointment, and framacetine cream. Another study demonstrated that the average healing time for a partial thickness burn wound with aloe gel was 12 days, compared to 18 days with Vaseline gauze. However, aloe vera's well known effectiveness for burns might also be its biggest limitation, as its reputation as the burn plant has overshadowed its many other excellent benefits. Anti inflammatory. Like other leafy green plants, aloe vera is rich in a variety of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Here are some of the key components found in aloe gel. Vitamins. Vitamin A supports a healthy immune system and reproductive health. Vitamin B12 keeps blood cells healthy and aids in creating new DNA. Vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin E, prevents inflammation and promotes skin health. Amino acids. Our bodies need 20 amino acids for essential processes, 9 of which are essential amino acids that we cannot produce ourselves and must obtain from our diet. Aloe gel provides 7 of these 9 essential amino acids. Digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are crucial for breaking down macronutrients like fats, proteins, and carbs into smaller pieces for absorption. Aloe gel contains 8 digestive enzymes, including alliase, alkaline phosphatase, amylase, bradykinase, carboxypeptidase, catalase, cellulase, lipase, and peroxidase. These enzymes aid in reducing inflammation and breaking down sugars and fats, contributing to better gut health. Minerals. Aloe gel is a good source of calcium, chromium, copper, selenium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium, and zinc. These minerals promote bone health, regulate blood pressure, and aid metabolic functions. Anthraquinones, compounds that help protect against kidney disease, liver disease, and cancer. Aloe gel contains 12 unique anthraquinones that suppress inflammation and support a healthy gut. In addition to these nutrients, consuming aloe gel may help relieve heartburn. Specifically, it can aid with gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, a digestive disorder that often causes heartburn. A 2015 study from the National Library of Medicine found that taking aloe vera syrup twice daily reduced GERD symptoms without adverse effects. Aloe vera juice has shown promise in lowering blood sugar levels. A 2015 study suggests that consuming aloe vera gel can help improve fasting blood glucose levels and reduce body fat and weight. One important note: when consuming aloe vera, start with a small amount as it may have a laxative effect due to the presence of anthraquinones. Anti-aging. To understand the anti-aging benefits of aloe vera, it's essential to know the plant's anatomy. Each leaf of this jagged green plant consists of 3 layers. The inner layer. This is an iconic clear gel composed of 99% water. The remaining 1% includes glucomannan, a type of dietary fiber, amino acids, lipids, sterols, and vitamins. The middle layer, made of latex. This yellow sap is known as aloin. It contains glycosides, compounds formed from simple sugars, and anthraquinones, organic compounds with laxative and pain-relieving properties. The outer layer, known as the rind, this thick skin protects the plant and synthesizes carbohydrates and proteins. Structurally, aloe vera is packed with nutrients akin to a candy factory for beneficial compounds. According to the International Medical Group, aloe vera leaves contain at least 160 important ingredients, though some experts estimate there are around 3 to 400 vital components. These include amino acids, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals, all of which promote a healthy immune system, aid in digestive health, and reduce harmful nitrates. These beneficial compounds contribute to aloe vera's impressive range of skin benefits. For example, one study found that consuming aloe gel can increase collagen synthesis in the body and even alter collagen composition. Collagen, the most abundant protein in your body, makes up 1/3 of your protein content and is a major building block for skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Healthy collagen levels are crucial for youthful looking skin. In short, aloe vera's impact on collagen may help reduce wrinkles and improve skin appearance when used topically. Additionally, a specific compound in aloe called allosin may help fade dark spots or age spots when applied to the skin. Other compounds known as mucopolysaccharides can help bind moisture to the skin, enhancing hydration and softness. Aloe gel can assist in removing dead skin cells and treating acne. A 2014 study found that combining conventional acne cream with aloe gel was significantly more effective than using the acne medication alone. Given that aloe vera can heal first and second degree burns, it's no surprise that it also works well for aging or sun damaged skin. Oral care. Another little known benefit of aloe vera is as a natural mouthwash. There are many studies of aloe vera based mouthwash being used to treat gingivitis, plaque buildup, and soothe mouth irritation. One that stands out, however, is a 2014 study published in the Ethiopian Journal of Health Sciences. Researchers found that an aloe vera based mouthwash can be safe and effective alternative to store brand products. Plus, aloe vera does not contain the unwanted chemicals common to store brand options, and it costs significantly less than those store brand options, too. Natural preservative. Another very little known use for aloe vera gel is its ability to preserve fruits and vegetables when coated on them. A 2014 study published in the American Journal of Food Science and Technology found that aloe gel has the ability to prolong the shelf life of fruits and vegetables. The plant is able to do this because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties that provide a defensive barrier against microbial contamination of produce. Yes, aloe vera really is the Swiss Army knife of plants. Today, researchers are even experimenting to see if aloe emodin, a compound in the plant's leaves, can slow the growth of breast cancer. More research is needed to further this theory, though. Bottom line, and as the ancients seem to know, the big question with aloe vera seems to be, what can't it do? Now you know the amazing life-changing health benefits of aloe vera. Try growing your own or try to use fresh aloe vera whenever possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tips.